Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to remove a task from a list in ClickUp. First thing you will have to do is go all the way down into your space, so click on Team Space. Now select a task in your desired list and go right here in these three dots and click on it. So if I choose task 3, it will be these three dots right here. If I choose task 1, it will be these three dots right here. Click on it and then select delete button right here. It glows red, so you should see it. Click on it and now your task will be successfully removed from your list. It is really this simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.